Hello guys, so this is Ngare Ezra TV. So I'll be doing an unboxing video today. So these are ring light I bought from Amazon. So you can check it, it has been delivered. So I'll be doing the unboxing video, so check it out. So this is the package. I'm going to unbox it. So let's go. Okay, so this is the box. Here is a warranty. Yeah, and these are promotion. Yeah. So this the stand it came with. So let's see it. So here is a tripod stand. I'm going to show you how long it is and how it works. And these are some of the merchandise attached to the stand. And this for the phone. This is the shutter stock. This for the stand. And this the ring light. So you can see the ring light. Yeah. Go ahead. So this for which attach the stand to the ring light, and here it's the ring light. It's the Belifo ring light. Okay, so I'll connect them and show you how they work. So I'll start with this stand, the tripod stand. Okay, so I'll stretch it. So long. Yeah, so this how long the tripod stand is. So it's so long. This is its maximum height. Yeah, so I'll reduce it. So I'll go to the phone holder. This is the phone holder. Yeah. This also, I think this is the phone holder. This is also another phone holder. And this one is attached between the ring. This is another tripod stand, but this one is a shorter one. So this tripod stand, yeah, this one is a very short one. And finally, this is the chain that fixes the stand and the phone holder. So I go ahead and fix it. add one of my phones here. Yeah, and you are done. So the next video, okay, so now I'll go ahead and add the ring light. So let me disjoint this phone. Here's the ring light. So I'll add the ring light. So I'll add the ring light here. So here is my ring light. So I'll attach the phone between it. Just here. Here. And then I lock it. Yeah. So let me connect the ring light. Yeah, so you can see the ring light. It has, you can reduce the brightness. So this, the brightness, you can rotate to different modes. Okay. So you can also attach the 3 types of joints. Here is one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So you can attach another joint behind here and then add another device. So this is the shutter for which can take selfies, pictures away from without tapping the camera pad. Yeah. So now let's go to using the ring light. So right now my phone is connected to the ring light. So here is the switch that controls the ring light. So I'll take you through the different modes. So I'll switch it on. So this is the first mode. This is the maximum brightness. I think the picture comes out pretty well. So this is the second mode, whereby the light is bright. This is the third mode. Yeah, so this is the yellow mode. You have the yellow, slightly yellow, and the white mode. And so with this ring light you can increase or decrease the brightness. This is minimum, this is maximum, this is the maximum brightness. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, like and share.